Good morning, guys. So, maaga-aga pa. Today is Monday and I'm getting Mia's lunch ready. Kasi, meron siyang, wala, saan na yung ano ko? Wala. Microphone ko, guys, nawala. Oh my gosh. Sana hindi ko yun nawala, no? Baka naiwan sa bag. But anyway, so today is their Faction Carnival Day. That means, parang sports siya, guys. Parang ganun. And yeah, ang aga kong mag-ready. It's 6:53 na actually. Kanina pa ako gising. 5 o'clock. Tapos sinatry ko matulog. Hindi ako makatulog. So, yeah, higa-higa lang ako. Nood-nood ng mga videos. And then I decided to like, sige na, bumangon ka na kasi magsa 7 na. And siguro nababother din ako, di ako makatulog kasi nga ang sakit ng throat ko, guys. So sabi ko, baka hindi na talaga ako makatulog. I'll just, yeah, make Mia's lunchbox. And I'll make my drink. Lemon and honey. Ang sakit ng throat ko. Kakain ng matamis siguro since Friday. Kumakain ako ng donut, mga sweets ba? Hindi ko alam eh. Hilig ako sa sweets. Donut, some churros, mga ganun yung kinakain ko since Tapos, yung cake tikay, kahapon. Kumain din ako kagabi ng cake. So, ayun na. Sumakit na naman ang throat. So, actually, hindi niya kailangan pumunta ng Monday. But then, Carnival, Faction Carnival nga nila today. So, kailangan niya pumunta. Last week sana yung Faction Carnival nila kinancel, guys, kasi uulan daw. Pero that day, biglang, bongga naman yung init that day. So, sana ngayon, diretso-diretso yung init. Kasi nga, minove nila yung Faction Carnival today. So, iiwan ko si Kai sa kapatid ko. Since V is not here, mamaya pa yung flight niya pabalik dito. Mga 2 or 3 p.m. pa yung balik niya, guys. Nasa Sydney pa siya. Gumawa ulit ako ng spring roll. Lumpiang gulay. Kailan ba yun? I think that was Friday. Hanggang Thursday. Thursday night. So, marami pa akong natara. Kakabili ko lang nito doon sa Filipino shop kasi nga naubusan tayo last time. Ewan ko to kay Mia, nakakaya niya yung sweet chili sauce, guys. Tapos mamaya, baka maangangan siya, bahala siya dun. Tinanong ko siya kung anong sauce gusto niya. Ketchup or sweet chili. Sabi niya sweet chili, so bahala siya. Basta spring roll kasi, sweet chili yung dinidip talaga niya. Nung last time na binaon niya yung spring roll, walang sweet chili. So, ketchup yung ginamit niya. And okay naman sa kanya, ubos talaga niya yung spring roll. Yung lahat ng lunchbox niya is ubos na ubos. So that's it. So this is just Mia's lunch, spring roll, rice cakes, tsaka mandarin. Sa kabila, tapos yung sip and crunch niya is mandarin and apple. Nailagyan ko din siya ng cupcake. And, Cheetos ball. Hindi ko alam kung kakainin niya to. And, yeah, we will see kung kakainin niya yan. Kasi ang tagal niya yan dyan sa snack box, sa tawag dito, sa snack na container ko. Hindi niya kinakain. But I think that's the only one left na cheese and bacon balls. Cheese and bacon balls ang tawag. Alright, so nakapag-bihis na tayo. So this is our look. Nag-concealer lang ako yung The Sem from Yestel. Mabibili niyo yun sa Yestel. So ginagamit ko pa din yung concealer ng kapatid ko kasi gustong-gusto ko siya. But yeah, hindi pa ako nakapag-check out until now sa Yestel. So yeah, pag naubos na yun for sure. Makakabili tayo guys. So ayan, i-close ko lang tong lunchbox ni Mia. Tulog pa din siya. But yeah, i-ready ko lang yung mga susuotin niya. And then, gisingin na natin si Kai nagmumulog. Oh my gosh. And I will pump also. Yeah. Magpapump lang ako guys habang i-ready si Mia. Kahapon may pinuntahan kaming birthday party sa farm. And si Kai, natulog lang siya the whole time. After niya kumain ng lunch yun, hindi naman lunch yun kasi late na nagkumain eh. Mga 2 na siguro kami kumain or mga 1:30. And kumain siya spaghetti. And after niya kumain, inantok. Natulog hanggang sa umuwi na kami. Mga 4 na siguro kami umuwi. So, hindi siya nakapag-dede. Punong-puno yung dede ko kahapon as in. Nag-leak pa nga guys. As in, nag-leak talaga siya. Mabuti na lang pauwi na kami. Oh my gosh. Pero ayaw niya na talaga mag-battle as in. Ayaw niya na mag-battle. So, pinapadede ko siya sa lalagyan ng water bottle niya dito sa may straw. Kasi ayaw niya na magdede sa bote. Sa milk bottle talaga ayaw. Oh my gosh. Let's go and wake up Ate Mia. Good morning to the people. Yeah. Put your shoes, Ate. Can you put your shoes? Put your shoes. Go! Run! Run! Come back. How was it? Is it okay?
Yeah.
You like it? Is it better for running? Because the other one is not for running. Bigay ito ni Ate Jessica niya, guys. I think this is good. Yeah? It's not ouchy? No, it fits you? Let's go, guys. Going to Mia's school. Have your seatbelt? Good girl. Have fun today, okay? It's okay if you don't win. You're right? Alright. I don't know if I have to go straight to your room.
Huh?
I don't know if I have to go straight to your room. Because you don't have class today. It's Monday. You're just coming there for you to participate in the Faction Carnival.
Oh, I'm not gonna stay there that
Yes, so you're gonna go home with me after the carnival. It will end at 11. So you're gonna go home with me.
That's exciting,
Mm-hmm.
but not really. I'm wearing this. It's because only this Faction Carnival.
Mm-hmm.
We need to listen to our teacher instruction.
Yes, you have to listen to the teacher's instruction. So all you gotta do is, I'll just park here.
When I was 5 years old, I was a good girl. On my birthday, I turned 5 years old
Uh-huh.
in school. Then I was a good girl. I didn't do anything bad. I was just walking, and then I played because my friends were running to their activity, and then I was only walking.
We're here. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Nandito si Namia sa red team siya guys. Red team siya. So, sack race ata to. Ayan. Tatalon sila.
Kaya.
I'm eight. I'm free and free and free.
Alright
I'm
guys.
free egg.
Let's go home. Grabe, napakainit man.
Mom,
Ano
can you
ba?
turn on golden?
Golden na naman.
Mommy, open the window and turn golden.
Okay. 25 degrees guys.
Open the window.
My gosh. Sana yung glasses ko. Ang init. Ang init, init, init. Very hot. Tapos yung mga bata, syempre, open yung oval. Grabe, sabi ko, walang sunscreen si Mia. Good luck naman talaga. Ang bilis kasi nito mag-dark ng ano niya, ng face, ng skin. Pulang-pula yung mukha niya, guys. Tingnan mo. Oh my gosh. Look at your hand. Already getting red.
Why is it red?
No one put sunscreen on you guys? Before you go out?
Yeah, all of my friends don't even have ice.
Sunscreen? My gosh. Parang ako yung, my gosh, ako yung nag-worry talaga kasi ang bilis nito mag-dark. Baka sabi ko ma-sunburn siya. Sobrang init. Pero may hangin naman na malamig. Pero yung init talaga, as in, hindi ko alam yung ilan yung UV, ano ngayon, rate. But, yeah, super hot. Anyway,
Can you turn on golden and open
we go
the
straight to
window?
Coast. Bili lang
Can you turn
tayo.
on golden?
Where's your manners?
Please. Can you
So
turn
hot.
on golden, please, Mommy?
Yeah. So, punta tayo, Coast. May bibilin lang ako. Ah. Naka-on na yung aircon. ate?
Hi guys, my name is Mia. And I have a faction card out today. And then guess what? I won the race.
Yeah, Mia won the race,
I'm the
people. She is so good. She won the race.
Yeah.
She's got the award there. Yeah,
Which reward?
first. That one. The one on your shirt.
Oh, this blue one. This reward.
Yeah. So good, ate. I didn't expect that she will win.
But there's a trophy there.
Yeah, but that's for the team, ate. Yeah, we're home na guys. Katapos lang namin sa course. I was so in a hurry kasi sabi ni si Kai daw umiiyak na. So, antok na siya. Anyway, let's go inside. Let's do the haul later. Tingnan niyo man ito ang aking Kai. Oy, gising man guys. Pagdating ko pinapatulog siya ni Sisi. Tapos, nag-take over ako kasi pinadede ko siya. And after that, wala na. Nagising man siya. Nang paalis na si mami sa bed. Nagising. Pero happy siya, oh. That's okay. Ha? Alda na, kailangan mo na siya. Kapagana ito kahungit. Kakunta guys, gutom na ko. Saan kami naging queer? I see. Hold tayo guys. Oh my gosh, katapos ko lang kumain. We have watermelon, grapes, red grapes. Yes. Kasi, yeah, may school si Mia na Thursday. So we have this 8 months plus nakalagay, blueberry and banana teething wafers. Ayan. So, hindi ko alam kung same to. Parang hindi siya. Yung banana rusk ata tawag dun. Yung ginamit ko kay Mia last time. Maganda yun siya, pero parang wala na sila ngayon. And yeah, so I have more here. Para pang titing ba siya. Ito yung kinain niya sa shop ng isang araw. And ito patry ko din sa kanya yung finger food. Carrot and apple rice 8. Tapos bumili na lang ako ng mga pang 8 months. Pag lumalabas kami, mas easy. Ayan. Kasi pag dito kami sa bahay, yung kinakain niya guys, pagkain na namin. Nag-rice din siya. And ito pa, yung sweet potato ba to? Yes. We have broccoli for Kai Kai. And more. So, 4 lang yung binili ko. Para pag lumabas kami, may stocks ako. And sunscreen ni Mia sa school. Yes. I've got one more of Kai Kai's water bottle. Blue naman to siya kasi yung isa is green. Ayan. Kasi nga minsan, yung ano niya, milk. Breast milk ko nilalagay ko dito. Sliced bread. Gusto ni Mia yung kiwi. So I've got a lot. Kasi gusto din ni Kai ng kiwi. Orange. Meron pang isa dito. Ayan. Ano ito? Banana biscotti siya, guys. Pang finger food siya na 10 months plus. Parang ganito yung itsura nung binibili ko before. From Only Organics din yun. Pero parang nag-iba na siya eh. Tapos pang 10, ano na siya, pang 10 months plus. But I think he can already have it. I have Vanish. Naka-sale to yung isang tub. Dishwashing liquid. Body wash. Naka-sale din to. Naka-sale din yung Downy. So I've got 2 of that Downy. And then I have Head and Shoulder. Naka-sale din tong Head and Shoulder. And then ito yung fabric conditioner na Downy. Ang dami ko pa nito. Kasi yung pinsan ni V bumili siya ng madami. So yeah, but I got 1 lang para may stock. And mga meat. Bumili ako ng ano, B? soup bones. Bones. Tapos, pwede man na ang ano lang. Inangin bakal ko ba?
20 minutes lang. Inaot. Tatlo ka ulas.
I have this pork fillet para sa boys to mag-noodles sila.
That's why
I
you need
have
to buy
soup bones. Ayan.
dating katulad ka din.
Ano lang to? $6.39. Tapos ito yung, dice yung binibili mo, no?
Hindi
Na
na.
beef.
Kaya mas mo na din. Hindi na higyan.
Ah,
Exacto, ang dice.
Yeah, I've got the dice.
Hindi siya labi. Ang hindi siya yung beef meat siya. Kasi maon.
yeah, I saw the one
Mas malabo.
parang kalinabi ko, dagdag mo dabi ko na ako yung bakal. Yummy! Yum yum, snack time na. Yummy! So, he's having this carrot and apple rice cakes. You like it, my boo-boy? Huh? Bite it, bite. Yum yum lang. Yum yum lang. May dumating tayong package, ayan. At naglalaba din yung kapatid ko, ayan. So, i-unbox natin yun mamaya, guys. Hindi ko alam kung I have time pa kasi kumakain si Kai. Siguro i-unbox na lang natin. So, kumain si Mia pagdating sa bahay kasi gutom man siya, guys. Ano oras na natapos yung sports nila, parang 12 na kami nakauwi. You want your orange, Mia? I'll give it to Kai if you don't want. And banana. Banana, apple. Ubus na yung spring roll. Ubus na yung dalawang spring roll tsaka ang dami kong nilagay nito kasi sabi ko share kami. Orange may natira. So, dito ko na lang ilagay. Bigay natin kay Kai mamaya. You finish all your spring roll? Ah, wow. Good job, Mia. Open natin to, guys. Kaya kayo kumakain pa din. Wow. You can write in here, Mia. Wow.
Right in the box.
Yeah. So, iba na yung paan na to. Puti na siya, guys. Kaya yung pinadala ko is yung yung luma namin kasi iiwan ko din siya dun sa Pilipinas. Hindi ko siya dadalhin. Siyempre, wala naman tayong paglalagyan nun. So, yeah. I have Ziploc bags here and mga clips. Ayan. And ito yung malaki. Tapos may maliit din sa loob. And then, I've got Mia ay lampshade. Para sa room niya.
What's a lampshade?
Yeah, lampshade. And I also got this. Ayan.
It's a lampshade.
Lampshade. So, it's gonna light up in your room. So, you don't be scared. And ito, malaking, frame. Dito ko, may nakita ko sa TikTok, nilagay nila yung mga labubo nila dito sa loob. Pang display para hindi madumihan. So, ilalagay ko yung akin dito para hindi sila madumihan. Tapos, i-display natin. Parang frame ba? And here we are. Ito lang yung reason kung bakit ako nag-order sa IKEA kasi gusto ko yung nila, high chair. Tapos nag-check out na lang din ako sa iba. Naghanap pa ako ng mga kailangan ko bilhin. Yan, nakahanap naman tayo.
Seven.
Alright. So let's assemble this as well. This is a kanchi, guys. Mia has this as well sa high chair niya before. Pero tinapon ko na nung hindi naman kailangan na. Ganyan yung itsura niya. So sa baba siya kinakatch niya yung mga nalalaglag na food. So yeah. And it's actually, yeah, good.
Help me cut these.
Alright, I'll help you after this, okay? So medyo matagal ko na ito in order. Hindi ko lang siya ma-install sa high chair namin ngayon kasi hindi pa nga yun ang high chair na binili ko. Pinuha ko lang yan sa bahay ng parents ko kasi spare high chair yan. So gusto ko siya install sa bagong high chair. ano siya, very thick na siya. Iba na yung quality niya unlike sa una nilang hot sheet. Medyo mas makapal siya kaysa sa una. Tapos meron na siyang logo dito na hot sheet. Kasi yung una ni Mia guys, medyo manipis yun ng konti. Yeah.
She won't even get it.
And it's gonna be the biggest band.
Here you go.
But she won't spend it all.
Alright, so let's install it, guys.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling me.
There's no fee in that. Here. Now let's look at this.
So, ayan na guys, na-assemble na natin. That's what it looks like. So, ayan na siya. That's it. Yeah. Medyo nag-iba yung itsura niya compared dun sa mga una nilang nagawa. But, yeah, I like this one. Kasi parang they put a lot of space sa front kaysa sa back. Tama ba ako? Kasi from last time, yung kay Mia kasi medyo parang same space sila. Parang nasa gitna yung high chair. Tapos parang, yeah. But yeah, this is good. This is good. I love it. Tapos I like the high chair kasi white na yung kulay niya dito. Yung previous kasi nila na high chair. Pero hanggang ngayon, nasa stock pa naman nila. Parang ano yung kulay. Parang ganyan. Same sa Kmart. Hello, Kai! Are you done eating? Wala, no. Okay. Tapos i-install na lang natin yung ano niya. Seatbelt. Nandito yung seatbelt. Yes! Mamaya, install natin yan. Ito, antok na to. Patulugin ko na. So, ito na yung mga kalat namin ni Mia. Ayan. Mia wants to play with the box. Hindi pa yan siya nakabihis. May gymnastics yan today. Baka hindi na siya pumunta. Yeah, hello. Baka hindi ko na siya muna papuntahin sa gymnastics. Kasi, pagod na si Mami. Yeah? And si Daddy wala pa, guys. Where's Daddy? Daddy's not home yet. Where's Daddy lang? Oh. Where's Daddy? Where's Dada? Dada not home? Hindi pa siya naka-message kung nandito na siya sa airport. Hindi ko alam na. Oh! Oshi, why are you there na?
Mia. But they don't have to hide everything. Yeah. to you, Mia. Show mommy.
Uh-oh. Kai. Ate Mia stealing your toy. Uh-oh, Daddy is home.
No scissors.
Is Daddy home?
Quick, I wanna play.
What's that? Let me see. You have to get this thing out. Oh, look at him.
That's it. That's it.
Give it to Kai.
Give it to Kai. Quick.
I can pet the cherry and then we'll have a pet the
Thank you.
Wow. Look at that. You have to take off the... Yeah, take that out. Yeah.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
Mr. Rain, can you
Take off that.
Da-da-da-da-da.
Ang kalat Mia. What is this mess? Oh my God. Did you remove everything out of this thing? And where's your toy? Let me get it. Let me do it. Let me do it. Hey, you're gonna hurt yourself.
Yes, Kai's toy.
Give it to Kai. That's Kai.
Show mommy your toy.
Yeah, she showed me already. Daddy got her Lego. This is sour guy. Oh, yummy. Kakaiyak lang, guys. Naano ko yung tenga niya. Nasagi ko sa nails ko pag lock ko na to. Ng bib. Yum, kiwi. Kai. Ay. Yum, kiwi lang yan. Tingnan nito si Poche, oh. Move away. Kain lang si Kai ko.
You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trace the stars
My
apart to
buboy.
light
Look
us
at my
up?
buboy. More? Say more. Alala. Meron pa konti dito, oh. Nakain niya naman. Mostly.
Mommy, can somebody help me? I don't know how to do this.
When mommy's done, I'll help you. But not now. Wow. Hello guys! Ngayon lang ako nakabalik kasi busy ako kanina sa kusina. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Nagluto ako ng bulalo and spring roll for our dinner. And now, kanina pa kami kumain. So na nagutom ako. I'm gonna have star margarine sa bread. Tapos lagyan ko ng konting sugar. So, yun yung kakainin ko. Papatulogin ko pa to si Kai actually, pero hindi pa siya nagreklamo eh. Medyo okay pa siya sa ano niya, sa walker niya. And si Mia, ando na naman, kung ano-ano na naman ang pinagagawa dyan sa table. May mga pagdodrawing na naman siya, may mga dinidikit-dikit na naman, gunting-gunting. Ayan yung mga ganap niya lagi sa bahay, kaya busy-busy yan siya lagi. Pag na-board siya, dun siya aakyat sa taas. Tapos na timingan niya na napatulog na si Kai. No, diba? Kundi gising yung isa. Kasi bored na daw siya. Gusto niya na daw magising yung kapatid niya, guys. Kasi bored na siya. Gusto niya na makipaglaro. Ganon yung mga ganap pag nandito kami sa bahay. But yeah, hindi na siya nakapag-gymnastic kanina, guys. Pagod na si Mami. Late na din na dumating si Daddy. So, last week, absent din siya sa gymnastics niya. So, okay, bawi tayo. Bawi tayo, Mia. napapadami yung mga absent niya sa activities niya, like sa ballet. Kasi minsan hindi ko siya ma-drop kasi may laro si daddy sa pool. Ano ba? May game si daddy. So, minsan hindi niya na-drop si Mia kasi maaga yung game niya. So, yeah. So, ito na lang natira sa niluto ko, guys. Sarap na sarap naman sila. Kasi may mga sakit yung tao dito. So, sabi ko, bulalo ako para may sabaw. Tapos, niluto ko lang yung spring roll dyan. Ayan na siya, guys. Yung isa, tingnan nyo. Ubus ko na. Nakakaapat ako nito minsan kasi yung sarap. Kaya lang hindi siya masyadong kaaya-aya kasi nga may sugar. Masarap siya. Yan. Kain. Kain tayo habang masaya pa ang aking mga junakis. Sarap. Ayun.
Open it. Open it.
Open ko daw sabi ni Ate Mia. What's here? This one is dirty.
This one is for Dad.
Wow, ano ka ba? I love you, Mama. Mia. Mama Mary. From Mia. Tignan niyo nakasulat. I love you, Mama. Marunong na siya mag-spelling ng I love you. Palagi ba naman sinusulat I love you? So, marunong na siya mag-spelling. Pati Mama. Well done! I love it! Thank you! I'll give Daddy his...
We're in trances, going off to different places, different places.